I'm a Martian from Mars. I'm a futuristic failure, or what humans call a spider, in modern-day Earth. But, as you can see, I'm pretty evolved. After the nuclear explosion from which I watched from Mars 3,000 years ago, I descended to Earth in 5,222. In 5,221, I discovered farting, and did something pretty amazing. I farted my way from Mars to Earth, resisting the need to breathe, because my species can hold our breath for a very, very long time. I set up home base in somewhere called America. When I got there, for some reason, I started growing a six-pack and the most amazing muscles, because of something that was undiscovered. I did some research in my home lab, and I discovered that there was uranium everywhere, and it was very radioactive. The radiation was melting my fat and commenced the transformation of the fat to pure muscle. Bits of uranium were scattered in the soil all over the world, which was a great piece of evidence to show why humans were extinct. As I was exploring nuked Earth, I also found parts of a nuclear bomb. The parts were cold, but I was amazed. On the piece of the bomb that I found, there was a radioactive sign like this. Yeah. Also, because the soil was radioactive, I decided to take a core sample of the soil and compare and contrast the soil from modern Earth to nuclear Earth. There was an extreme differentiation between the soils. The soil from modern Earth was brown with nutrients, and the soil from nuclear Earth was all black and glowed green, like my muscles. Some interesting facts about uranium is that in the ore it looks like a normal rock, and it oxidizes very quickly. The only reason why it oxidizes so quickly and decays is because the nucleus is extremely unstable and can't be controlled whatsoever. The last fact was that when all of the humans were exposed to the effects of the bomb, they were disintegrated, and when exposed to the radiation, if the human even survived, they started dying because the radiation damaged their DNA and cells in the human body, and it gave them cancer or killed them immediately. Back to the evidence. As I was getting core samples, I found a fossil while taking out the sample. The fossil was also very radiated. It was a humerus with parts of uranium all around and inside the bone. That shows that humans were affected by the uranium and radiation. Lastly, because the heat levels of the explosion was so high, it created something called shocked quartz. Now, shocked quartz is something, and it looks like a rainbow rock because it actually does. And this is sort of what it looks like. Those are all the pieces of evidence that I discovered to show why humans went extinct.